So here it is, all put back together. As you can see, all nicely organised inside. Plenty of space for the battery. Well, it's tucked up in there. So yeah, job's a good one. Just need to fit it into the buggy now, which is there. And yeah, get that in there, fix up all the points, off we go. So, back in the car now, all good, all screwed in. Just about to put the servo arm on, so turn this on, put the battery in there even though it's only light. Turn it on, set the servos to naught. That's it, bang on naught. I know what you want to do. Try and just pop this on wherever it needs to be. There you go. That should be about idle. I can get the little washer. Put that on. And voila. All done and finished. So, yeah. There you go. So here we are at the end of it all. It's been out for a good old bash in the quarry. The servos performed quite well. That's it fitted, all working. Had a good little bash. That's what it is, guys. Kyosho Inferno, heavily upgraded with a lot of stuff. Y-piece from GPM, some top cad, all alloy bits, chin pipe on it, still a stock engine, but yeah, great little buggy, good for my first RC, well, first hobby grade really. Had toy ones when I was a kid, but all good. So yeah, back to bashing soon. I think I may have a bit of a leak in the fuel tank, it's getting a bit hot, and the exhaust runs a bit close, so I forgot to put that piece of wood in last time. I've melted it, never mind. And that's with a shell up. Been doing another couple of these shells, different design. That was my first up, so not bad. Yeah, it's going to be a lot darker. Like, comment, subscribe, anything you want to know, put a thing in the comments below. I'll put all the information in the description of what I've been using and all that. So yeah, take care, I'll see you later for watching.